Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL One X and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's find the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system, and here we've got the backup option, so let's tap on it. Make sure that the backup option is turned on. In order to do that, simply tap on the switcher here and let's tap on account to add new one. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this level, we can either create a new account which is required to do a backup, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, click on next. Now we have to enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay. Click on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to read it, simply tap on it. And here we are. Here we've got all the info. Let's close it and click on I agree. Here we've got some backup and storage info. Click on accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So let's click on OK. And as you can see, we just added our backup account, and from now on all the content will be backed up to your Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your ALCATEL One X. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.